everyone and welcome back to my new video. This video is all about how do we do pencil sketching. So let us see what do we all need. All we need is a gel pen, art line pencil and a normal Apsara pencil, a sharpener, a eraser and a drawing book. Before you start your sketching, do not forget to sharpen your pencil. And once you are done, draw a rough image of the picture on the drawing book. Here I am drawing a half butterfly. Erase the pencil outline to make it a little lighter. And now use your gel pen and mark the outline a little darker. Trace the entire part with the help of gel pen. That's okay if the gel pen tracing is a little outer than the pencil tracing. We can further erase the pencil marks, so drawing a little messy does not matter. Now erase the entire pencil outlining to give it a good detailing. Now use your normal pencil. I am using Apsara pencil here. Keep it in a sleeping position and try to shade the entire butterfly. Make sure that you give it a very light shade, not a darker one. Now use the outline pencil and make the detailing of the butterfly a little dark. Here make sure that you trace the borders, not the inside picture. Use a tissue under your hand so that it does not make a mess. Here you need to use a earbud to blend the borders to give it a pleasant look. Blend it in such a way that it gives a smooth texture. Once you are done with the blending, we are going to the next step, that is erasing the extra shades of the pencil. To give it a little more detailing, I am adding some circles. Now all you need to do is shade a little more darker the outer part, and now use a tissue and blend it the way we did with the earbud. If we blend the drawing with the help of tissue or earbuds, the drawing looks way more better than the normal one. Here we need to follow the same step by erasing the extra parts of the pencil shade. Now we are going to do the last step, that is giving a little more detailing by adding some lines. Hope you all enjoyed watching this sketching tutorial. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep visiting. Thank you.